2 to go, buddy.
Mm.
I wonder if we got something amazing in either of these two. 1 or 2, 1 or 2. What's it going to be?
I think they're going to make the people that placed everything in the cubes are trying to make us wait again.
Okay. And go for it. What's gonna be in it? 2 to go. And what do we got? A common Alfie.
Okay. I guess I was wrong.
Yeah. A common Alfie. Now I'm losing track. How many of these do we have? We've got 1 open. And we have 2 sealed. Okay.
Alright, that's good.
There we go. So we've got 1 open to play with. We've got 1 to hang on to. And then if somebody just doesn't happen to get a common Alfie along the way, we can make a trade or, you know, when we get that opportunity. Here we go. So rock, stock, and trade. Right? Can't beat that. Cool. Look at that one, man. That one's still so cool. That uncommon. Looks like a tiger or a cheetah.
Cheetah. Leopard. Right?
Leopard or a cheetah. Right. Looks great. Cool. All right. Well, that's the story. Nice quick one here, right? Nice and easy. We've got 1 open, 1 sealed in the package, and 1 to hang on to trade if somebody needs it when the time comes. And we will see. Not like these guys, like a Cringer army and our evil-lyn army. So.
I think we got more cringers.
All right. 1 to go. Tomorrow will be the final for a while. And I guess we'll have to see what comes next. Okay. Well, we'll see everybody for the last one. The last one. We keep saying last one, then we get more. The last one of this set, I guess. We'll see you for that.